Hello everyone, let me show you how to make talking avatars like this ones completely free using the Inshot app. Step 1, we're going to generate an AI image using a free app called Lexica Art. So in the app, simply type female anime character and click on search. And it will give you different image options to choose from. Now select your preferred image and download it. After that, we also need a background, so we are going to go back to the app and type anime room background, and it will give you different background options. So pick your preferred one. Make sure you choose a bright one that has pop of colors so that it can, be appealing to the eyes. So when you've decided on the one to pick, just simply click on it and download it. Step 2, we are going to erase the mouth and background of the images we got from Lexica app using a free tool called Snap Edit. So in the app, we click on Start Remove Object, we select one of the pictures, and then we simply swipe on the mouth of the image and click on Remove, and it removes that part. If you're using the free version, you just have to watch an ad and it gets the job done. Now to remove the background, we go back to the Snap Edit app, click on Remove BG, select the image you just edited on Snap Edit, and it automatically removes the background for you. Now if it says you're finished your daily limit, you can always just watch an ad and it will be replenished. If you've made it to this stage, click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button, and let's go on Inshot to create the video. Go to new, select the background we downloaded from Lexica app, then go to PIP and overlay the picture we just edited from Snap Edit. Now we have to add a talking mouth. Download this Greenscreen mouth, the link is in my description box. Now go to PIP and overlay the Greenscreen mouth you just downloaded. Go to Chroma and select the green part of the video. Increase the strength and the shadow. And now we only have the mouth. Place the mouth in the right position. You can also increase the size if you want the mouth to be big. It works the same way for every image. If it talks too fast, you can reduce the speed of the green screen. And this is how you make a talking animation. Now you can notice that this mouth effect does not have pauses. So if you have a pause in your video, simply download the video when you're done editing. Go back to your editing app, open the video again, and then cut the part where you want a pause to be. Then scroll to the right and click on freeze. And it would create a paused portion of the video. Now here is a pause. Subscribe for more videos like this.